Now I will show you repeater. Create a new composition. Write name repeater. Two seconds is enough. HDTV 1080 25 FPS. Okay. Let's create a square. Choose rectangle. Press and hold shift when you make square. Let's make it little. No, stroke is too much. 18.6. You can find stroke also here. Let's decrease it. Write 10. For now it's enough. Close the stroke. Choose selection tool. Let's add repeater. Close the rectangle one. We don't need it now. Go add repeater. As you can see, we add repeater. We got 3 copies. We can open repeater and increase copies. Let's write 6. They are on one line, but we want to make like splash. For this, go to transform of repeater. Repeater has his own transform. First of all, make position 0. Now they are all combined. And change rotation. Let's make it symmetrically. The one full rotation is 360 degree. That's why divide 360 degree to the numbers of copies. Now it will be 60 degree. Now they are combined. Now we will separate them by using anchor point. Something like this. We can increase copies. Maybe we can make 9. Also, we have to change rotation. Divide 360 degree to 9. It will be 14 degree. As you see, it became symmetrical. Also, we should increase anchor point and drag it to the center.